So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's us understand to the Java stream. So think of Java stream like a water pipeline. Imagine you open a water tap, the water flow through filters, and finally fill your glass. That's exactly how stream work. Think of stream as a pipeline with three clear stages. Let me show you with a diagram. So first is one is source where the water comes from. So you have to be considered source as a like collections which consist of like list, set, arrays. Then second is intermediate operations. So Java in Java stream content consists of lot of intermediate operations, and then after that it's have a terminal operation where we collect the water, clean water after some filter and purifiers. So let me show you some intermediate operations and terminal operation. So they are intermediate operation where we apply filter, map, flat map, distinct, sorted, pick, limit, and skip. And we have terminal operation as well, like for each to array, reduce, collect, to count, main, max, any match, all match, none match, find first and find any. Perfect. So let's now read this. So this exactly how Java Stream work. Think of Stream as a pipeline with three clear stages, as I have shown you in a diagram. First is source, where the water comes from. Just like water flow from tank or some sources, a stream start from collections, list, set, and array. List. Suppose you have some list of like 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 elements here. So we just want to be like so we use here stream number dot stream on this list. So after applying the stream, we can perform a lot of operation. So in earlier before Java, it also we perform this operation, but here it reduce a lot of code. Second, intermediate operation, like whatever the operation you want to perform, like you want to filter based on some condition and purifier. So in real life, water flow through filters, removing dust, sand, or chemicals. So in Java stream, intermediate operation like filter or transform, that is map, how does it transform your data. So like number dot stream where we have like a list like 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50, where we apply the stream, and then we have I just filter it based on the condition, like the number which is greater than 18. Just filter on this criteria basis. So this is a condition for filtrations. Three is terminal operation. So terminal operation where we collect the clean water. So finally, you place a glass under the tap. That's when you actually get the water. So like number dot streams, you get a list as a result as a list. Then you just apply the filter, which is a intermediate operation, that n is should be greater than 18, means you want to go get those element which is greater than 18. So this is a filter on some criteria, and you are converting dot to list final result. You want to get into the list, and from here without the stream, we write a long for loops and keep a checks bucket marks strains everywhere. So with this stream, it's like having a smart water pipeline, one flow, clean, efficient, or an elegant. So I hope so you understand this. When I this picture, you able to understand in a better way, like it's clearly visible that considered it as a list where you get we have lot of elements inside that, like 10, 20, 30, right from here. And where in here by using dot filter in the Java 8, you just apply the condition, if the n is greater than 18, you want to print those numbers, so you are getting here it as a product. I mean to say as a result, right? Like the number which is greater than 18, based on this you will get as a output. Like greater than 18 is 40, 40, 50, and 30 and 20. So this will be the output here. So you understand this, and let me know in the comment section that what you like most in the video. Thank you. Like and subscribe the channel. Share with your friends.